Hey friends, have you ever looked at fractions and thought, why is this so complicated? What if I told you, so there is the easiest way to add, subtract, multiply and divide the fraction in just a few minutes? Let's begin with the easiest operations. If the denominators are same, you just add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. Means here, numerator will have 1 plus 2 divided by 7 and 1 plus 2 is 3 over 7. If the denominators are different, so instead of doing LCM method, go with this cross multiplication method. First you should multiply diagonally. 1 into 3, 3 and multiply diagonally. 2 into 4, 8. And what you have sign here? Plus. So place the sign. And multiply the denominators. 4 3s are 12. So 8 plus 3 is 11 over 12. See, no LCM, no confusion. So we just done it in seconds. Now subtraction is just as easy. So let us consider 8 by 5 minus 1 over 5. So here if the denominators are same, so how we done for addition? Same as it is here. You just change the sign. So 8 minus 1, numerator we have, sign is negative. So 8 minus 1 and denominator same is there, write 5. 8 minus 1 is 7 over 5. Then, what if the denominators are different? So, as usual, multiply diagonally. So, 4 3s are 12 and 5 2s are 10. So, what you have a sign here? You have a negative. So, place the sign and multiply this denominator. 5 3s are 15 and 12 minus 1 is 2. 2 over 15. So, same as it is what we done in addition. So, in the place we have negative. So, you just place the negative. Easy, right? Multiplication is even easier. So let's consider 7 over 12 into 2 by 3. You just multiply across numerator and denominator. See, 7 2s are 14, multiply it, and 12 3s are 36. So if it is comes under same table, you cancel it. See, 2 7s are, then 2 18s are. So 7 over 18 is the answer. So rather than this, another easy method is there. So 7 by 12, 2 by 3 if you observe. So we can cancel diagonally and numerator because we have a multiplication here. See, 2 6 are 12, right? See, left with 7 and 6 3s are 18. So we got the same answer, right? Yes. Let's go for a division. So 25 by 2 and divide by 30 by 4. You just remember, keep, change, flip. Okay, so keep means, so keep the first fraction, 25 by 2. Change means, so change division to multiplication. And flip the second one. Flip means you just change the numerator and denominator. Means 4 over 30. Then if it can be cancelled by the same table, cancel it. See, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 6 are. Yes, again it may be go 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Then 5 divided by 3. So this is our answer. If you enjoyed this, comment below easy fraction. Let me know which operation you found easiest. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Vedic Math hacks like this. Hit the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep shining.